to Kauai, Hawaii. I'm flying to Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania on my way there. I see a crash of a human invention with wheels while I'm flying. I see Phil the groundhog in Touchdown. A hawk chases me, but I swerve and lose him. I try to land in a farmyard, but a farmer chases me off. I cannot find much water, so I'm forced to keep going to Sacramento, California. I am hungry, so I find some cold stuff in a store that is delicious. I eat every bite. I fuel up for the journey and get ready to fly to Kauai, Hawaii. The journey is long and perilous, but I finally land in Kauai, Hawaii. Half a year later. I've lived here for some time now, but I've never seen a mongoose. That day, I was flying through the forest in Hawaii when I saw an unexpected guest, the mongoose. It's big and ferocious. It comes to me with a fearing growl, but I fly away and never come back to that spot. That mongoose had no chance of catching me. Goodbye, mongoose. I am never seeing you again.